Handmade Carpet Factory in mid-China, and its main staff has been engaged in the handmade carpet industry since 1987. Yilong is popular in high-end carpet fields throughout the world, with numerous technician weavers and 1 million square feet yearly capacity. Yilong only focuses on hand-knotted rugs and is pretty expert and influential in the handmade carpet field. Yilong has a high-efficiency sales team and competitive price superiority in supreme handmade carpet field and attracts customers from all over the world. Until now, Yilong has exported to 87 countries, including the USA, Turkey, Germany, France, Russia, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Japan, and Malaysia, etc. For better communication with customers, Yilong attends various exhibitions every year, including Domotex exhibition in Germany, Turkey, and Shanghai, Canton Fair in Guangzhou, Rug Show in New York, Tibetan Carpet International Exhibition in Xining, etc. Yilong's main products include 100% hand-knotted silk rugs, 100% hand-knotted wool rugs, and luxurious tapestry collections. All clients, carpet store owners, rug retailers, and interior designers are warmly welcome to contact us. In the meantime, Yilong has 500,000 square feet silk rugs inventory for customers to choose at any time. Yilong promises that you'll find satisfactory rugs here. Yilong also provides live video service for any carpet in our store. Thus, customers can have more understanding of carpet color as well as pattern. Moreover, customization is acceptable, and everyone throughout the world is welcome to contact us for any further details.